Hi, my name is Neha Tiwari. My topic is access to justice, role of legal service institution. What is justice? Justice means fair and reasonable treatment. Justice means that whatever is happening in the society, whether it is right or justiciable, if not, then to establish the right and justiciable within the society. And if a person does not know how to differentiate between right and wrong, then he cannot establish justice in society. Justice is not just for people of one caste or religions or people of a particular society. It is for all. Everyone should get it, whether it is rich, poor, journal, Dalit. A good example of this is the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 and Civil Procedure Code 1908. There are many provisions related to poor people in the CRPC and CPC so that justice can be delivered to the poorest of the poor. Legal service and institution. There are different types of institution, service, authority, etc. inside India, which are working to reach more and more justice in the society. That can be different, like before 2005, people could not get information from the department, but after 2005, under the Right to Information Act 2005, people can get information from the department, and information commission were set up in every state. There are many commissions so that people can get justice as quickly as possible. Example: Uttar Pradesh Human Rights Commission, Lokayukt, Right to Information Act, UP Consumer Redressal Commission, Anti-Corruption Departments, and many extra. There are many other types of institutions that get justice in society as quickly as possible. Apart from this, if they talk about law colleges, then they also have an important role. They also perform different types of procedure like legal aid, writ petition, NGO, etc. Role of legal service and institution. There are many types of legal service and institution in the society that provide justice like law courts, Lok Adalats, fast track courts, commission, authority, NGO, colleges, etc. To apply the right things in the society. It is the duty of all legal service and institution to apply what is true and straightforward in such a way that everyone can know it easily. Could use that matter when more and times comes. Use the right language. This means that any services or institution is there, they will all use the same language so that every person can understand it easily. Use the local language as much as possible. Legal awareness. It is very lacking in the society. People don't recognize their rights and duty, which often lead to exploitation, and people have to face injustice instead of justice. Just and fair and reasonable is play a major role, because if one is getting justice, then he is getting along with justice region, and the third principle of natural justice is the region. Conclusion. Justice falls in the category of justice so long as it is found at the right time and it does not harm any other person, and whatever justice given should be clear with reason.